Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS running. Let's start with your reading. This is going to be right from 31st of May till 6th of June 2021, though timeless readings, okay? I heard the word bang on. Something that's going to exactly hit, it's going to be right and out and about. It's something which is exactly the way it is or it's supposed to be. It's like certain kind of victory or change in your situation, okay? Whatever it is. Maybe something, a fortunate event or fortune, money connected with that stuff, okay? These are general vibes, so depends. So I had the first call of the card, which is number 10, the wheel, which is beautiful. And the word written is Archangel Michael, the wheel. And you have something connected with very confident approach towards something. A time of positive change, a situation suddenly moves forward. Fortune is on your side. So the lucky event or luck is on your side. Whatever you're going to do, it's going to manifest in the exact way. In the exact way that you want. Interesting. So your overall energy right about this place is that 8 of fire is 8 of wands energy, and you have events moving at a fast pace. Delays are over. Boom, bang on. Many things happening at once. So things are going to be manifesting here. Maybe certain communication, relationship matters, fortunate event connected with your work, money, anything. The energy is about the wheel. The wheel is turning basically, and you can actually control it because it's in your control. So the wheel. Communication with someone as well, or anything that is making a move here for better plans. Libra. What's happening? Whatever you wanted is with you or is coming towards you. It's like something went, it's coming reverse, and which is good. So maybe communication, maybe your movement, maybe travel. It's connected with the wheel. You can say a lot of things. Oh baby, I want you. So let's see. I heard someone is going to release or reveal something, whatever is in their heart. Whatever they were hiding or whatever was hidden is no longer going to be hidden from you. It's about there's no dual state. You have the moon card reversed. You're no longer emotional or you're no longer sad about something or sudden matter or situation anymore. This may be a Piscean or the Piscean in ways. It's something that is all out and about. Bang on. So this may be something that you knew or the information that you had. It's going so right and it is bang on. Okay? It's actually extremely right. Whatever it is. Whatever your situation is. I feel the other one is emotional, and this is also the reverse effect of something which they are going to tell you if this goes that way. So your recent past, your now, and your future. Okay. You recently had a very emotional communication with someone, which may be how you want to take it as. It was like a truth was told, saddened ambience. Something happened here, like emotional situation happened, and you had communication, and it was very fast, and you were very clear about that stuff. Ace of Swords, big decisions were taken here. Ace of Swords is also initiation, so something happened here. Something started here. Something is going your way as well. Queen of Pentacles, things are under control. I feel that they're more organized. There may be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy you might be dealing with. You're having communication with someone, but I also feel something is under control, whether relationship, certain person, or official matters here. So maybe business related things, they're under control. It's like you know how to manage, or someone is aware that you know how to manage. Justice. This is going to be brought up, bang on. Things will be right. They are going to be manifested properly. This is your card. Justice is a Libra. Something that you're manifesting in right order. And no, yeah, and not letting go. and you're not letting it go, whatever it is, because you really need to take care of something. Like, you know you own words and you're responsible for that. So whatever you are saying, you know what you are saying, and you're not taking them back, rather you're organizing them well. I see emotional communication as well. Time is changing. A lot of fortunate events for you, or a sudden thing that was stuck is going to have a fortunate turn. I hear that you're going to hear from someone who walked away, someone you got detached, or you detached yourself, or people just walked away. I like, means walked away energy is kind of like detaching themselves, basically making big decisions here. They may have a U-turn here for some reason to make things right, like someone is sorry for the doing. Okay, possible communication with that person, reverse kind of effect. Or because of this situation that happened here, you did it or they did it. The thing here that I'm seeing is that there's going to be reverse effect on someone, and they want to say something that the thing they were not saying, they want to say. I want to talk, you know. There's a desire of connection, like a desirable connection, but I don't know whether it's from your side or that person's side, because I feel everything is under control, like tables will turn. With Three of Wands energy, this is what you were waiting is coming, or someone who was waiting to contact you, they're going to contact you. It's also big decisions and big plans. Whatever is you desire, it's coming. Whatever you desire is coming. So maybe this is about the thing that you appreciate and you wanted, you're going to get it. It's like a reunion. It is reunion, not like or union of some sort, but reunion definitely. Okay, Two of Cups, reuniting with something or someone in specific in this time frame, in the coming time, in your future call. Three of Wands. So expect changes in your timeline. Possible for some cases going to be 3 days when you're going to listen. Maybe the shortest 3 hours you're going to hear from them. Yeah, or 3 weeks. But I feel more of like 3 days or something kind of that energy. I feel they want to talk to you something about whatever it is. Return of someone. That's why I talked about reverse and everything. Six of Cups is like feeling happy where you are, but also calling out on something and you got it. Resurgence as well. Relocation. Someone is relocating, but however they're relocating near you or in your area, or they're calling you after relocating, and if that's not the case, they're just visiting and they want to meet you to them, them to you. Six of Cups is resurgence. Someone who is damn sure about you, or they just are thinking very, very much about you. There may be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, female wife, for some of you specific, male wife. They're coming home, or they're talking to you, visiting you. So you might be in mother figure, possible. If not, father figure could be, but they are having female vibes, so I'm telling you that. Sudden travel plans of someone here. The Taur. Changes happening, unexpected visit, unexpected travel plans, yours or theirs. This may be between lovers. You might be dealing with the King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. There's also someone who is hiding something from you, and this hiding, maybe they really want to tell you something. That's what the moon is telling me. Reverse of something, feelings, yeah. Okay, what they said, it was not exactly that, or something that they said to break your heart or hurt you. No, it was not that. It's a drastic change in a certain situation. It's also the crumbling, but the crumbling part is making you more strong here. That's what I see. Maybe this was a sudden fall that happened, or rebuilding. It's also falling empire. This is an illegal building that should fall. It's actually falling. Whatever is illegal, like it's also trust matters. Okay. Oops. There's so many. You're a soldier, honey. There is a soldier card. You're a wife, mother. Okay? Someone is sad without you, or someone is envy. And they're not doing well. They're envy of you and they're not doing well. This may be some other energies. Okay? Some other people, energies were not right. Surprise! There may be a surprise visit. Someone who's visiting you with some gifts or something, or you found a big amount here. Something. Surprise. Surprise, surprise. Oh, journey, child. Someone is visiting you, or you are visiting someone. Visiting your child, or your child is visiting you. Not necessarily your child is like this. They may be grown up, okay? So journey, someone is taking a journey. Or someone is coming to you because they are either father or mother to your child. However it goes, there's going to be surprise. Or there's going to be birth of something in the coming time on your journey. Okay. Okay. I hope this is going to help you guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye. There's a heavy chance of reunion for some of you. Surprise. Take care. I love you. Bye.